Yo everyone, it's another session. Didn't record earlier just because um, I was just backtesting quietly. I had those days, where I just like being quiet with my trading. But enough with the dilly dallying. Let's head into December. Um, Of course, I'd like to say that November was really successful for me. I've had more than 70% win rate, which is pretty good. It's the best win rate I've ever had. So let's see if I improve myself a bit um, from past weeks. And let's see. I've already set up the thought process of 1 hour, which is we swept all these general lows, which tells me we are very bullish on higher time frame. However, we rebalanced into 50% of clean sell side imbalance, and we started to displace lower. Just now we have this draw liquidity, which could tell me much more. Either we continue or reverse off of it. So let's see. 1 minute. We didn't actually. We did manipulate this law right here. On yes, we did SMT internally. Okay, so this is pretty bearish structure. We manipulated here. We're bouncing to 15-minute BC, and this is our draw. We are heading into it right now after manipulating, displacing. This looks pretty good. Okay, let's see what happens. So clean displacement. I always mark this because price likes to reverse for 50, and that's what I observed. But it's close to this BC. This BC. Yeah, I don't think we reverse off of it. Maybe these general lows. Let's see if we create an order block. So we displace lower. Okay, took these general lows, and now and we tapped into this 50. I mean 1 hour. All right, yeah. We took an hour draw. We rebalance into this, and let's see what happens. I wouldn't long here just because could go even lower. I mean, this is the point where price starts going higher, but I need a internal manipulation, I think, because we are very bearish from 740 after SMT. So with this respect, I still think we are bullish, and we have this internal manipulation right here. Okay, no news. I didn't check the area. My bad for that. So there's this volume gap. Okay, I maybe missed an entry. Maybe we will want to go here and go lower. Okay, we SNT it right now. Oh, we already did that. Okay, well, so yes, what ES is doing right now is going higher and is close to this internal, but from 930 we displace lower, and we have these general lows right here and a 1 hour BC. Let's see if price wants to go lower or higher. I don't know right now. I know that higher time frame we are bullish, but what I see now is not much. Now it's just a bit of consolidation. We disrespected this involugram and internally manipulated and displaced. But there's no market. I mean, there is a SMT and we still respect it. So if we don't respect it, we need to go, I don't know, maybe we just need to displace. Yeah, so we displaced right now, but we made SMT, so I'm waiting. We go lower, have this sell sign imbalance right here. This is clear rejection. What I want to see right now, I mean, going for a short right now could could be optimal because my thought process, we could go short because we clearly respected this CB, and I know that if I wait a bit more I could get fucked by many points, setting my stop loss by many points, and this is quite a risky trade right now because I mean, this is the point where price could really go just higher. Mm, so what I'm thinking right now, let's see what 5 minute does shows. Right. So we SMT right here, and yeah. Uh, Sorry for that. Um, let me think, because I'm more bullish right now. I mean, from 7:30 we are bearish, and we respect all the PDRs right now because I mean we could say that we respect this because we immediately went lower after um, internally manipulating this. Respect our 1 hour CB, but we swept these lows, and right now we are SNT. So let's see. Okay, so last 10 seconds turn out to be bullish. Okay, well, this doesn't look bullish, bro. I don't know. I don't know if it's optimal. I mean, this is clear displacement candle right now. And we rebalance into this. We SMT'd right here. Mm, more. Mm, maybe 1-to-1 would be okay here. Mm, we do have manipulation. We have external SMT. Manipulation here, SMT right here, respecting this CB, big CB. 9:30 opens bearish. We swept these lows, and we tapped into 1 hour BC. But I'm bullish, so I'm waiting till 9:45. Okay, now even though we SMT externally, we are after a internal manipulation, we are going higher. But let's see if it's just rebalance. I mean, this candle look very good. So what we do right now is candle is this? Hmm. This is consolidation straight up, bro. I'm not doing anything here. So 9:45 opens. Let me close this. We do still respect this order block, bearish order block. Let's see if we displace above. If we displace above, I'd say we may go higher, but maybe ES wants to go here into going lower, but we don't know. Okay, this is really bearish, bro. We still are gonna do internal manipulation, but these laws are like, here is good target, I'd say. Let's see if my shorts works. My stop loss should be here because we rebalanced this other block. What is my target if are 1-to-1s? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna target 50 of this. Not a 1-to-1, but it's fine. Maybe I'll just. I mean, this is the most optimal. Let's see. Okay, so now if we don't respect this CB, we are fucked. Okay, this is nice displacement. Okay, very nice, very nice. This is pretty clean thought process. I changed my bias because we had so many conferences of going lower. This was the turning point, I think, but we were really, how would I say this, consolidating, yeah. But here we made this SMT and we did rebalance into it and this place lower. Maybe this entry could have been better. Maybe I needed a bit more confluentials, but this entry was pretty good because we did respect order loss and we disrespected this bias and imbalance, and we did externally manipulate it. So price most definitely wanted to, from this candle, go lower. Okay, let's go next day. Okay, well, external SMT right here started to display lower. This is Monday? Yeah, no, it's Thursday. What the fuck? No news that threatens us. Um, okay. 1 hour looks bearish right now. Let's see what we rebalance. We started displacing higher off of what? I mean, this clean BC. Nah, we disrespected it. I mean, yeah. I mean, we started displacing higher because of this, I think. 1 minute show. I mean, this is pretty low resistance. This internal, let's see these general lows. We reacted off of these general lows, right? And we wanted to go here. Market structure here, right here. Respecting this BC, going higher. Now we started to displace lower. 15 looks pretty bearish, and we maybe could look for these lows. Uh, mm, let's see. So there's the internal sweeps. Okay. We still have respected this. We swept these general lows. Let's see what price wants to do. I'm more bearish than bullish, but we never know. From day open we were going lower, and we have this gap left. Um, okay. I'm more bearish now. What I see right now is we swept these. This is the closest draw. We created an order block. We even disrespected this. Let's make this sheet colored. I mean, this is red. What color is this? This is brown red or something. This shitty CB, and we rebalance order block, but we like displaced below the 51. This is fucking awful color. What the fuck? Gray is even better. Okay. You don't see anything. Me too, but it's fine. What I need to validate my trade right now is, I mean, we did SMT right now here, and we started to displace higher after respecting this. Does this counts as a market structure shift? I wouldn't be sure about this, and we still are very bearish. Okay, so we sweep this internal. Let me change these colors. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we disrespected this order block right now. We swept these general lows. Still in this range. We could easily reverse off of this point. The price is displacing. Okay, well, I mean, this entry is pretty good because we rebalance into BC, rebalance again, and displace higher here. My stop loss should have been there at this point, but our one-to-one right now it's too risky. My points would be pretty not good. Now we're good going here. Again, we respected this BC displacing higher. We could go higher from this point. It looks like on 50, on 15. We wanted to manipulate and go higher. But I mean, this entry could have been okay. Disrespect order block 1-to-1, clean as fuck. But now we are close to this draw, so I don't want to, okay, do anything here, so what the fuck is this candle about? This is pretty much fake out, or no? I mean, 5 minute candle just opened. Okay, so, I mean, this looks very interesting. We didn't close above this CB. We did respect 50% of this order block, and now we're displacing lower. So this could tell us maybe we want to go even here to this draw, but I mean this 15 minute is very good looking. This could be fake, don't get me wrong, and my stop loss should be 40 points right now. What, 700? I mean, I've risked a bit more than that last trade. Yeah, we look very bearish, very bearish. So let's see if it hits. I may get fucked by this candle because it could be like not that good of a displacement candle. So what are we doing now? We displace lower, disrespected this, and we've stopped on the 50, almost 50. But I'm still holding because my narrative is very bearish. I may be wrong, but that's what I see from the charts right now. This looks very bearish. We respect every bearish PD right now, and this 15-minute candle looked very good. We may rebalance right now, but I still think we could easily go lower. Okay, so we swept this draw. I do believe we can even go break even and now go even to take our profit, because this is the point where price could rebalance into, and I needed to go lower from there on. I maybe could think that price could go here to set the internal and then go lower, but the fact how the price displays lower, I could maybe tell this PXL even could work out right now. So my stop loss is protected, I'd say. Okay, I think I will get stopped out because yes, it's slower than NQ, and I think NQ wants to just go here. So I'm just getting my 300, and yeah, we internally manipulated and now we displace. Okay, respecting this, respecting order block, displacing lower, and it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, yeah, I was really right on this trade. Mm, yeah, so my con so my like thought process was really accurate from this. Sadly, ES didn't move so fast and didn't SMT it on time, but we did internally manipulate it. We respected this, and we could have entry here. Uh, didn't and not given a fuck about this internal. And yeah, well, this is pretty valid for process. Maybe my stop loss should have been a bit higher because yeah, my thinking that we could internally manipulate right now is where was thing that happened. So yeah, I got my 300 though. there's a draw. It overlaps with a 50, with 50 of the CB. Okay. I mean, from day open we are very bullish. We swept this draw I marked, and now we started to go higher. We swept these external draws. Um, this looks like a PXH overlapping with BC. Let me mark this out as a yellow. Okay, SMT and displacement higher. This is if you are going higher, we have so much draws here. We have this CB on 1 hour. This draw. This. Let's see what we do here after SMT. So displacement lower. We rebalance into 50% of this BC. The draws here are pretty. As they are overlapping with 50, but I'm just seeing what price could rebalance into possibly. This draw is good too. Every draw is not guaranteed, guys. Okay. So now we disrespect the SMT and manipulating. We are manipulating right now. Okay, this order block, I can't, I mean, I don't want to say it's an order block, but it is, it's very huge, so I might just mark this one as an order block to be more accurate. But now we are in this inverse fair value gap. We flipped a candle nicely. ES didn't give a fuck about this, so the entry here. What am I thinking? Let's see how 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, this is an order block. Okay. And disrespect of the order block. Still this value gap. Let's see if we displace above, below. Okay, I mean, yeah. Am I so sure about this trade? I mean, there's no draw to be taken, and we are looking very bearish. We tapped into this 15-minute BC, and we don't give a fuck about this because we are displacing lower. And yeah, nice. And the draws were taken. Let's see what we do next. Now it's time to go higher. Let's see. Let's see. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Okay. I mean, okay, internal manipulation. I mean, liquidity sweep if we displace higher. Um, have this buy side and these draws. We are bearish. No internal. I mean, I'm happy with the win. Let's see what we did. I'm actually curious. Um, yeah. No. Oh, oh, wait. This is the exact day. Wait, so what I marked, bro? I can't remember. Wait, this is 15. Ah, yeah, this. So we actually wanted to display slower. Yeah, okay. Our price could do what it wants. I don't like this candle, bro. 9:45 news, PMI, and I know what the fuck this is, but it's red, which is bad. Um, but we manipulated this draw. This is Asia. We have this. We do respect it. Um, this looks very bearish. Now we manipulated this and we created order block, manipulation, respect this volume, imbalance, displacement, rebalance. I mean, the next draw, the next draw. Yeah, I've marked it. It could be it. This. This may look very risky, and it looks very risky, so I'm not doing anything. Yeah. This candle is huge. Internal manipulation, rebalancing into PXH, and this pricing higher. This is 15-minute candle open, so we could go lower anytime. And this looks pretty good. Because we look very bearish. Just from, I mean, do we already swept the gap. Started displacing higher, swept the strong. Um, I mean, this is low probability, so I'm looking for a good setup. So now we rebalance into 50. Um, I count this as a displacement with these two candles. Count. Okay, equal lows. The fuck, bro? No, manipulation. Okay. Displacement higher. Okay. Okay. It's 5 minutes till the news pop up. 9:30 opens. We respect this buy side. We have this buy side right here, and ES is just my SMT. You have this volume imbalance. We do make SMT from this, but we are still displacing lower. There's no rebalance. I know for a fact we could go towards this draw. I just want to see some rebalance. I mean, this is PXL, maybe into the displacement. Um, oh fuck. Okay. Okay. I want to. So we rebalance this place. So do we have everything on our checklist to validate this trade? I'd say yes. More likely yes. Why? First of all, we manipulated Asia. From there on, we created an order block, which we do respect. And what we did here is rebalance into this 50% of the order block. And we do look like we want to rebalance into lower. This is this overlapping with 50%, but do we have points to take our one-to-one? Maybe we want to manipulate this again. So I would try my best. Let's see if it works out. This looks very very bullish, bearish. I'm sorry. And looks like ES wants to take the draw. So maybe we want this 2 on NQ, but not exactly the draw, but we want to rebalance or manipulate again to go higher. Okay, so this is not good sign, and I may get stopped. Okay, yes, okay, so the problem was with my stop loss actually, yeah, because we didn't rebalance into this CB. And actually my entry, if here, really good. And now we're displacing higher. In bro. Or this entry. Yeah. I entered poor. I mean, my stop loss was very poor, bro. I think 1-to-1 was reachable at this point. I think this was my stop loss. I mean, no. I mean, I wouldn't take this trade because of my RR. So I maybe should have waited for this displacement candle and entry of this. Holy, so much points. Okay, let's go next. um, Okay. So we did stop in this 1 hour, but what we did actually is, this looks very strange because we manipulated here, but didn't take this, but NQ did take this. This is very weird. Um, but it is what it is. 15. So we manipulated here, rebalance into order block. Place lower. Mm, we do still respect. I mean, we tapped into this buy side. My bias is like, it's a bit unclear right now. We do this place higher from the day open, but we didn't even SMT it or manipulate it. So this is the next draw, this internal, which got swept. So this is my next draw. We rebalance into this after my plating. Started to display higher, lower, sorry. Manipulated this, rebalance into the CB, displays lower. Not doing anything. Okay. Rebalance to CB, displacement. Okay. I mean, SMT right here. Volume imbalances. Imbalances. Really, the candle really flipped. We have this equal lows. Rebalance into this CB. Immediate displacement. Equal lows. I mean SMT, okay, SMT here. But wait, where is the SMT? So we did disrespected the SMT, so um hmm, I'm not sure, bro. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, this looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe this entry. Um, just 1 to 1. I'm not good at 930s entries, so um, nice. But still, I will go on 945 because this could look very, very good. This is the turning point. Let's see if what we do right here. We didn't create an order block. We did right now and disrespected it after rebalancing into PXL. No, no, not PXL. Into nothing actually. So do we want to go here? I'm not sure. Um, but we did disrespect the order block. I'm just waiting on 945 if I will get some entry. So 945 opens. We did internally manipulate. Um, what is the next draw actually? This is the next draw. Or this. We're pretty close to it. Okay, we select this. The entry here, pretty good. Oh, my discretion is good. Wait, wait. Is this the time for rebalance? Actually, no. We don't have internal manipulation, so I don't like it. Yes. Okay, well, I mean, does this count as an internal manipulation? Upwards candle, downwards, upwards. Yeah, it's not that clear, so I wouldn't take that. Yeah, this is pretty low prop, and we just slowed down so much. Okay, consumer price index YOY, consumer price index X food and energy. So price very volatile after 8:30 usually, but yeah, so yeah, we got this big candle. Um, I don't really like to say it could be a PXL entry short, but I will mark it just in case. This is the draw. Now on 1 minute, it looks bullish, Um, but just as Kartik Verdi says, um, bearish confluences are more powerful than the bullish ones. So just because we stepped into this PXL, which is bearish sign, we could maybe look for shorts after manipulation. This is manipulation, but we could manipulation again. Okay, so okay, this is candle. This is bullish candle, right? And don't like how it's moving. So we have these draws here and this CB, right? Mhm. Ooh, this blue looks very nice. I like it. We could look for internal manipulation to go in higher. Or just expecting price to go lower. I want to see some internal manipulation. Okay, but this candle closure. This entry, I don't like it because we're next to the draw. We didn't manipulate bearish, so maybe internally, but it's okay. Maybe I should have noticed this. Okay, so there's the internal. Let's see if you create an order block. Yeah. So there's the order block. Order block. Sorry, I'm practicing my English right now. Um, um, My back, bro. It's itching. But I showered just like an hour ago, bro. Okay, never mind, never mind. Just focus on the charts. I mean, this looks very, very bearish. Just because we do respect this 1 hour sell side imbalance, we do internally manipulate, and I just want to see what happens here. Yeah, a bit expected outcome to this place lower. But I still need some rebalance. There's the rebalance. Still 40 seconds till the candle closure, but we are very bearish right now. Disrespected this volume balance. It displays like hell, bro. Just because the candle flip right here. Does it tell us anything? The 15. The 15 minute. Um, we did. I mean, okay, never mind, never mind. I mean, there's just manipulation on AHS session. It's quite tricky because we open very bearish. But I want to see the candle closure. Okay, and this the candle closure I wanted. But where's the manipulation? It's not like manipulation. I want internal manipulation right now. But we could go here and go higher. Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm okay with not entering because I mean, technically we did SMT earlier. But I want a internal manipulation. So internal manipulation, displacement lower, and okay, let's see if we go a bit lower. I want the candle to go lower to this point because this is the rebalance candle. Okay, we don't give a fuck. Tapped into this. So for bullish, there's no internal manipulation. I mean, this is the internal manipulation here. I'm still bearish, bro. I mean, we did take this draw, so let's see if we just rebalance. I'm just waiting. Yeah, yeah. This is pretty nice candle flip. Yes, I'm it. Okay. I would like shorts at this point. 700, 780 is right here. So if my thought process is bad, I'm just losing it. I mean, I'm not losing it like physically, if mentally, but I mean that I lose on the trade. But I mean, this looks pretty good. If we do respect this, the candle should flip. But I think we still want to go lower. I mean, for bullish confluence, yeah, we were displacing a bit too much from the day open. And we do still respect this PXL, bro. Displacement lower, rebalance, displacement lower. Let's see if it works out. I'm not mad if it's not if it won't, because we could manipulate here and go higher. So in this case, I will target the volume imbalance. I mean the rejection block a bit lower to go 1-to-1, because we maybe manipulate go here if I'm lucky and go higher. So let's see. So we display slower, but still 30 seconds. And we got this in 2 minutes. And that's what I said? Yeah. Okay, I'm a bit lucky. I'm a bit too lucky, bro. To the tick. To the tick. But, this is pretty fortunate. I have to remember that not every draw is guaranteed, and this rebalance lower to internally manipulate. It's not to um, rebalance to 50% of this BC, but to liquidate some people and just rally higher maybe. Let's see what we do. Do respect this CB, so yeah, nice. This is what I expected, and I'm really happy uh, that I was right. Let's see the last day. So S&T here. Um, respect this OB. Holy, I see it. I see this, bro. We are going higher. Oh my god, we are going higher. We are going higher. Let's pattern trade. I'm just longing right now. I don't give a fuck, bro. We're getting this draw. You see how this schedule like this pattern? Oh my god, we are winning. We are winning, bro. I'm just kidding. We act off of what price action shows us. So let me shut the fuck up and wait, maybe I will just maybe say something about this um price action. So we manipulated here. This is not manipulation. Here, why? Yeah, S&T reacting off of the rejection block. Go higher, but we still do have um, this pattern trade, and we are winning this obviously. Okay, so we didn't swap these lows, but we reacted off of these two, and we rebalanced and displaced higher. And on 5 minute we did rebalance into order block because we manipulated these internals. Rebalance displacement. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I fucking said, bro. I should have pattern traded this. Like pattern trading is the key to profitability, no? Okay, SMT. But we still have some draws. On 15. Okay, still this and this. Um, yeah, so 9:30 opens. Do this. Um, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck still. I don't give a fuck. And this looks good because there is PXH internal manipulation right here and CB disrespect by this displacement candle. So am I so sure about this tray? Hem 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 hem. This draw is pretty big, so um I don't know. The news 10 a.m. Um I'm I'm just waiting. Let's see if we take external draw. I mean this is external draw and we rebalance into it. Okay, if we displace right now, this is nice candle flip. Um Still nothing. Okay, this looks good. Um yeah. Yeah, this was pretty obvious. Do I think we could still rebalance here? I mean, the fact that we have paired our internal manipulation with PXH is pretty fucking dope. And knowing that we disrespected this fucking CB, after manipulating, um, we did respect this buy side imbalance, and we did displace higher after candle open. Um, yeah, sure, we could have like go even lower, but it's lower probable to go lower than go higher in this case, I think, because this candle flip was pretty my tell, but I didn't want to go for the trade because I wanted price to go surpass this level, uh, go just above the order block. Mm, but now we could go lower to rebalance. Internal rebalance. Let's see if you get market structure shift. Internal SMT. Okay, price wants to go higher. Okay, no. Yeah, this is not my macro, so from the start, guys. So 7 wins, 1 lose. Before the session started, I was pretty down, but our win rate is pretty fucking good, and I'm really proud of this because this month the is this December? My, let me check that because I want to be wrong. Um, December, yeah. December was not really good for me from the funded accounts perspective, but I think I'm making a bit good progress. Um, and I'm proud of that. Just one mini, and let me performance. I want to um, current dollar profit. So I started, I think. Where the fuck did I start? I mean, it's whatever. Um, is this? These are my trades? Okay, okay, never mind, never mind. But Thursday 100%. Actually, Wednesday and Tuesday were pretty low. Mm, probable for me. I mean, this might be just because before the recording started, I was a bit. I mean, I was trading while talking to my friends because I was pretty much bored. Obviously, these sessions are to lock in myself and talk to myself, and that's what I get. I mean, this win ratio um, is telling me that I could maybe be profitable, but that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.